Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Target beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your monthly income. Calculate all sources of income, including salary and side hustles. Next, list your fixed expenses. Include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance payments. Then, track your variable expenses. These are costs that can change month to month, like groceries and entertainment. After identifying these expenses, set your budget categories. Allocate funds for each category based on your income and spending habits. Now, visit Target's website or app to browse their sales and promotions. Look for weekly ads or clearance items that can help you save. Create a shopping list based on your identified needs and budget. Stick to this list while shopping to avoid impulse purchases. Use Target's Circle Rewards program to earn discounts and cashback. Sign up for this program if you haven't already. Next, consider using the Target app for price matching. This can help you ensure you're getting the best deal. Once you've selected your items, calculate the total cost before checkout. Keep an eye on your budget as you shop to stay on track. If needed, adjust your items based on your budget limits. Finally, review your spending at the end of the month. Assess what worked and where improvements can be made for next month. This reflection will help you refine your budgeting skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.